How to change your voice audio speed on Audacity. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage and change your audio speed easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Audacity and then import your file from here, and after you import it, now all what you have to do is just select it like this by clicking double click and click here on effect. Then go down here, click on change speed right here, and then choose the speed how you want it. I'm gonna make it higher. As you can see, it's gonna be changed a lot.
How to media, this is just a test audio.
Let's make it more slower. As you can see,
how to media, this is just.
As you can see, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.